to pour you into bed tonight. You're so cut off.
Go to the floor, Darren.
We don't usually let him get quite this tired before bed.
Oh, spaghettios. Oh, doggies. Oh, kitties. Kitties. Oh, kitties. Oh, doggies.
What else can I say?
Probably an old raisin.
Probably an old raisin.
Did you find that raisin?
I think you're right. Probably an old raisin. Do you think we could
She's
get
like-
an
be doing your
Angry
best
Bird?
talking laying down.
Maybe we could launch it with your, maybe with your gate. There you go. That works. Yeah, bring that one. Bring that. Yeah, bring the gate and the bird. And the bird. Bring the bird. Yeah, Angry Bird right here. Can I see it? Thank you. Look at. Do you think we can shoot the Angry Bird at Sheena?
So cute.
It's not gonna fly. Here it goes. You ready, Darren? Woo! See, it didn't work so well. Let's try again. Okay, we'll try it again. Here it goes. Angry Bird. Kind of goes in there.
That's better.
Throw it here. Oh, good throw. You catch. Okay.
It's probably going to be funny.
An old raisin. Good throw. Throw it again. Oh, over the shoulder. That's talent. That's over the shoulder. Yes.
That's so funny.
That
That's
was
so
fun.
funny.
Oh, where'd he go?
Angry bird.
Whoa!
You're cracking me up.
He's got a little Jerry Lewis in him, right?
Just do it the whole time.
It is a silly bird.
Rare form.
Oh!
Nice
Good
throw.
toss.
Hey.
Probably already.
Uh-oh, spaghetti-o.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Oh, be a little more gentle with
That one doesn't bounce so well, does she? Yeah, that one's breakable.